Hello students, we are going to start divergence of vector and divergence theorem. So let me understand what is the definition of divergence. So divergence is calculated for a vector. Let a vector is A. So divergence of any vector A is net outward flux per unit volume when the volume is very small or volume is approaching to 0. So divergence of any vector A, it is represented by del dot A. It is equal to limit delta V tends to 0 because volume should be small. And the flux of the vector, the flux is represented by the surface integration. So this is here, this represent here flux of the vector per unit volume. So per unit volume, so we will divide with the volume. So this is the mathematical definition of divergence. This is the mathematical expression. Now, from this mathematical expression, we can derive the Gauss divergence theorem, or simply we can say divergence theorem. So this term flux, which is the integration, surface integration a vector dot ds vector, it is equal to that dv will multiplied with del dot a, and we will take the volume integration. So we will take the volume integration del dot a dv. So this is called as divergence theorem. It is very important for our subject. Now this is the volume integration. This RHS is the volume integration in the divergence theorem, and here on the LHS it is a surface integration. So divergence theorem relates surface integration to volume integration. So remember students, divergence theorem relates the surface integration to volume integration. So the definition of divergence theorem is divergence theorem states that total outward flux of vector field A through the closed surface. Now we are talking about the closed surface. Closed surface is the surface which contains particular volume, is equal to the volume integration of divergence of A. Very important. It is equal to the volume integration of divergence of A, which we can see from this mathematical expression. The surface integration of the vector field A, this LHS is the surface integration. It is equal to the volume integration of divergence of A, and that volume is the volume which is covered by the closed surface. Now we talk about the mathematical expression of the divergence. So mathematical expression of divergence is, suppose that a vector is AU, small au is the unit vector, and AU is component or its magnitude. AV is the unit vector in the v direction, and AV its component. AW is the unit vector, and capital AW is component or its magnitude in the AW direction. So the divergence of a vector, which is del dot A, it is represented as 1 upon h1 h2 h3 del over del u h2 h3 au plus del over del v h1 h3 av plus del over del w h1 h2 aw. Now what is h1 h2 and h3? We can check from this table. As we know, the differential length vector in the Cartesian coordinate system is dxax plus dyy plus dzaz. So h1, h2, h3, these three terms are 1, 1, 1 because they are the coefficient of dx, dy and dz. In the cylindrical coordinate system, dl vector is d rho a rho plus rho d phi a phi plus dz az. So in this case, H1 is 1, H2 is rho, and H3 is 1 because the coefficient of d phi is rho, and the coefficient of d rho is 1, and the coefficient of dz is 1. And in the spherical coordinate system, dl vector is dr ar plus r d theta a theta plus r sin theta d phi a phi. So here h1 is 1, h2 is r because the coefficient of d theta is r, and the coefficient of d phi is r sin theta. So here h3 will be r sin theta. So we have written it in the tabular form. So here coordinate system, here h1, h2, h3, and au, ab, and aw are the unit vectors. So in the Cartesian coordinate system, the all values are 1, 1, and 1. So here ax, ay, and az are the unit vectors. Cylindrical coordinate system, it is 1, rho, and 1. And the unit vectors are a rho, a phi, and az. And in the spherical coordinate system, it is 1, r, and r sin theta. H1, H2, H3. H1 is 1, H2 is r, and H3 is r sin theta. And AU is AR, and AV is A theta, and AW is A phi. The unit vector in the r direction is AR, unit vector in the theta direction is A theta, and unit vector in W direction is A phi, R theta phi, rho phi Z, and XY Z. So let me define the formula of divergence in the Cartesian coordinate system. In the Cartesian coordinate system, all values h1, h2, h3 will be 1, 1, 1. And in place of u, we will put x. In place of v, we will put y. In place of w, we will put z. So the formula is del over del x ax plus del over del y ay plus del over del z az. So this is the formula. This is the formula of divergence in the Cartesian coordinate system. Now, in the cylindrical coordinate system, 1 upon h1, h2, h3, the product of h1, h2, h3 will be rho here. Then del over del rho, and h2, h3, h2, h3 means rho and a rho, plus del over del phi, h1, h3, h1, h3 are 1, 1. So the product is 1 and a phi, plus del over del z, the product of h1, h2 is rho az. So this is the formula of divergence in the cylindrical coordinate system. And in the spherical coordinate system, the formula is 1 upon h1, h2, h3. When we will product all these three values, then it will be r square sine theta. Del over del r, h2, h3, h2, h3 is r square sine theta. AR is the component in the r direction, plus del over del theta, r sine theta, a theta, and del over del phi, r a phi. So thank you, students.